Hey everyone, welcome to Bison Robotics Ri3D for the 2024 season. Our NDSU team is about 5 hours in and hard at work on robot design and field element construction. I'm going to take a couple minutes now to go over some highlights of our strategy discussions from this morning. So we'll start with some robot specific strategy. Our thoughts are we want a robot that can score in both the speaker and the amplifier. We think the amplifier is going to be really important since obviously it increases the scoring of your speaker shots. We think that floor pickup is going to be really important because it'll allow us to feed notes to alliance partners or have them fed to us and also pick up any missed shots. And then climbing in the end game, super important. We're not super focused on the aspect of scoring in the trap during the end game though. If that's something that we end up being able to do because it lines up, awesome. If not, we're not heartbroken about it. As for alliance strategy, we're picturing 2 robots cycling notes to the speaker and potentially 1 to the amp. Coordinating shooting is going to be really important to avoid log jams and also reduce missed shots. We think ground pickup is going to be especially important for this part of the game, since if you did have a feeder robot, you could cue these notes and have them ready in your amplified period, thus increasing the effectiveness of each period. With that being said, also make sure that your alliance is ready when you are amplifying so you're not wasting that time. So we think that in the end game, trap scoring could be beneficial in playoffs, but maybe not quite so much in qualifications. When it gets to matches that are down to just a couple of points, then those trap points could be really beneficial. And then getting at least 2 robots climbing, super important. We're also thinking that the human player might be able to throw the spotlight note before the robots climb, and that can then increase the effectiveness of that spotlight, but it's not super clear as to what's going on there, so maybe there'll be more clarification, but from what we can see right now, that's something we can do. And then as far as defense goes, we didn't really talk a lot about defense, but we don't see it being super prevalent. There are some opportunities to be able to reduce the number of shots taken by just simply getting in the way, but as long as you're shooting from a protected zone, defense is a little bit difficult. If we do see alliances that are queuing notes for their amplified period though, if you do have a robot that can pick up off the floor, you could be a really effective defense bot just by doing that. But otherwise, check back tomorrow morning and we should have some more information about how our design is going and potentially have some more videos. So see you guys then. Thanks for watching.